All right, let's dive into Gethsemane right hand part 2. We're going to start in F position again. This time we're going to drop our fourth finger to B flat, which is the top of the 3 blacks. Now we're going to play just the middle fingers, so we're going to leave off the thumb and the pinky for just a minute. And we're going to go bottom to top of our middle fingers. And then back down 1. Now we're going to go down to bottom again and go up. So with the words, it would look like this. So he went willingly. One more time. So he went willingly. Now for phrase 4, we're going to go to C position. And we're going to go 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, which looks like this. Again. 4, 4, 3, 1, 2. Or with the words, to Gethsemane. Excellent. Let's put that all together. So we start in F position. So he went willingly. Moving down to C position. Starting on 4. To Gethsemane. Let's play it all together again. So he went willingly to Gethsemane. Excellent. Now we're going to play all of this chorus of Gethsemane. Starting in F position. Gethsemane, Jesus loves me, so he went willingly to Gethsemane. Nicely done.